In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a ManyChat button in Practice Better and why this integration could be a game changer for your client communication. But before we dive into it, let me promise you, by the end of this video, you'll not only have the step-by-step instructions to set this up, but you'll also discover a few tips that might just help you streamline your entire workflow. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. First things first, if you don't already know, ManyChat is a messaging platform that allows businesses to communicate with clients and prospects via automated chat. Practice Better is a coaching and wellness platform used by practitioners to manage clients, schedules, and payments. But when you combine these two, you're adding a superpower to your client management. So let's dive in and set up that button. Next thing, open up Practice Better and navigate to the area where you can edit your client profile or landing page. This is where you'll embed the ManyChat button. You're going to need the integration to work smoothly, so make sure you've connected your ManyChat account to Practice Better by the integration options available. You might need a pro account in ManyChat, so keep that in mind before you get started. Once you're in the right section, you'll be adding a custom button. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to copy the ManyChat link or bot link from your ManyChat account. You can find this under the ManyChat settings in the integration or automation sections. It's typically a URL that triggers your bot to start a conversation. Now, paste that ManyChat link directly into the button's URL field. Make sure you label the button clearly, something like "Chat with us" or "Get started with our free consultation." You want it to stand out, but also feel natural for your clients to click. Next thing, double check your settings. You want to make sure the button's appearance is optimized, especially for mobile users. Most of your clients will likely be accessing the page on their phones, so make sure the button looks great and is easy to find. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the automation. After your button is set up, test it out. Trigger the automation and make sure the ManyChat bot flows smoothly, answering your clients' questions or guiding them through the next steps. If anything's off, go back to ManyChat and tweak your automations for better client experience. Now that you've set up the ManyChat button, here's the real kicker. While Practice Better is a fantastic tool for client management, there are other platforms out there that integrate with ManyChat as well, and some might suit your needs better. So, before you dive too deep, I'd recommend checking out some alternatives. At the end of the day, Practice Better is a great tool, but if your main goal is seamless communication through chat, you might want to consider some other platforms that have built-in integrations for this kind of setup. I'll be covering some of these alternatives in just a moment. And before I wrap up, I've got a special offer for you. If you sign up for Practice Better through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial. But also, I've got a few alternatives that might be better for your goal of easy chat integration, and I found some amazing deals for those as well, complete with free trials. So check the link in the description to get the best offers and make sure you're using the right tools for your practice.